When we think about eating healthy, we often associate foods and diets with being heart healthy, good for brain function, etc. While those are absolutely important to focus on, it's equally as important to think about foods that support other vital organs in our body, like our kidneys. Changing your diet by avoiding or limiting certain foods can also help protect your kidneys from damage. So in this video, we are going to talk about kidney-damaging foods you need to avoid eating. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Processed meats. Processed meats such as bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and burger patties are a huge threat to your kidney health. They are high in sodium, and excess sodium intake on a regular basis may increase blood pressure and create extra stress on your kidneys. Research also suggests that the intake of more animal protein than plant protein may increase the rate of kidney disease progression. Dairy. Dairy products are a natural source of phosphorus and potassium and a good source of protein. All things you need to be wary of when watching your kidney health. In fact, consuming too much dairy in conjunction with other phosphorus-rich foods can be detrimental to bone health for people with kidney disease. That's because too much phosphorus consumption can cause a buildup of phosphorus in the blood, which can pull calcium from your bones. This can make your bones thin and weak over time. Alcohol. Many studies in recent years have proven that regular alcohol consumption, more than 2 drinks a day, has been found to almost double the risk of kidney disease. Alcohol affects the ability of the kidneys to regulate fluids and electrolytes in the body, which causes dehydration. When our body is unable to process minerals and nutrients properly, we can experience symptoms like fatigue, impaired cognitive function, joint inflammation, and pain. Butter. Butter contains saturated fat, which increases your risk for heart disease. The National Kidney Foundation notes that heart disease is a major risk factor for kidney disease and vice versa. Consume less butter, lard, and shortening to reduce your intake of saturated fat and lower your risk for heart and kidney disease. Sodas. According to the American Kidney Fund, a recent study suggests that drinking 2 or more carbonated sodas, diet or regular, each day may increase your risk for chronic kidney disease. Carbonated and energy drinks have both been linked to the formation of kidney stones. Before we move on, support us by hitting subscribe and the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Now let's get back to our topic. Canned vegetables. While vegetables are very good for you, canned vegetables usually contain a large amount of sodium. Having too much sodium in your system makes it difficult for your kidneys to remove excess fluid from your bloodstream. Switch to fresh or frozen vegetables whenever possible. Otherwise, rinse canned vegetables with water before you cook them. Salt. Sodium overload leads to increased blood pressure, which puts a strain on your kidneys. The typical American diet has been estimated to contain about 3,300 milligrams of sodium per day, which is much higher than the 2,300 milligrams daily maximum, about a teaspoon of salt, recommended by the government for healthy adults. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, 75% of the sodium Americans consume is found in processed food and restaurant meals. Avocados. Avocados contain potassium, a mineral that controls nerve and muscle function. Potassium helps your heart maintain a regular rhythm and is necessary for controlling fluids, electrolyte balance, and pH levels. Excess potassium in the blood, a condition known as hyperglycemia, often occurs in people with advanced stages of kidney disease. Signs and symptoms of hyperglycemia include nausea, weakness, numbness, and a slow heart rate. Snack foods. Snack foods such as chips, crackers, and pretzels are typically high in salt and refined carbs, which makes them unsuitable for those with kidney disease and diabetes. Some snack foods, such as potato chips, are also high in other minerals, such as potassium or phosphorus, either naturally or as a result of additives. For example, a medium 57-gram single-serving bag of potato chips contains 682 milligrams of potassium, 300 milligrams of sodium, and 87 milligrams of phosphorus. Snack foods should be limited or avoided as part of any healthy diet, especially if you have health conditions such as kidney disease and diabetes. Instead, experiment with nutrient-dense diabetes-friendly snacks. So that's it. Please like, share, and comment your thoughts below if you liked this video. Remember to subscribe to see our next video. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.